Whether you're already running a health and beauty store online and you need some inspiration, or you're thinking of starting one up, it's helpful to take notes from merchants who are crushing it in the health and beauty niches. Hey everyone, it's Jessica from Oberlo. If health and beauty is your niche, then you'll love this video. We're looking at some of the most inspirational online health and beauty stores on Shopify in 2018. And we're going to look at what sets them apart from the rest of the stores in their niche. From genius marketing techniques to savvy product selection, here's what makes the most successful health and beauty stores on Shopify stand out. By the way, part 1 of this video focuses on the best Shopify fashion stores. If you haven't seen it, check out the link by clicking here. But then come right back here, because I can't wait to show you the best health and beauty stores on Shopify in 2018. Number 5. Flex. Flex sells a potentially life-changing alternative to tampons. This Shopify store raised $4.6 million in the first half of 2016 alone, and it's still going strong today. Flex is a product that requires customers to change their behavior, in this case from using tampons to using Flex. This can prevent customers from buying, but Flex overcomes this challenge by publishing lots of educational blog posts, FAQs, and customer testimonials. This educational content is what turns skeptical browsers into customers, and monthly customers at that. Number 4. Nutriseed. Now how's that for an awesome brand name? Nutriseed is a Shopify store that's all about nutrition. As the name suggests, Nutriseed offers seeds, powders, and ingredients to complement a range of healthy diets. Nutriseed has grown exponentially in the last few years. From their humble countryside beginnings, Nutriseed has moved up and into a state-of-the-art British manufacturing facility. Now Nutriseed sells over 200 products a day. Nutriseed employs some clever marketing techniques to spread the word about their brand. For example, they encourage users to submit selfies with their products for a chance to win a Nutriseed gift card. Do you think that's an awesome promotional strategy? Number 3, Meaty. Meaty is an Australian company that sells all-natural detox teas. Founded in 2012, their mission is to help people achieve their health and wellness goals. Only 9 months after this Shopify store got started, Meaty was earning $600,000 in monthly revenue. How did they do that? Well, their marketing tactics played a big part in their success. The homepage includes a pop-up offering 15% off in exchange for an email. Once Meaty has the email address, the company can employ email marketing tactics to turn a browser into a buyer. Meaty's success is also due to the fact that people trust the brand to make good on its health and wellness promises. Meaty earns this trust by working with Instagram influencers like Lydia Millen, who shared this post with her 721,000 followers. Number 2. Concrete Minerals. Concrete Minerals was founded in 2009. This successful Shopify store is all about creating high-end, 100% vegan, cruelty-free cosmetics with a unique twist. Concrete Minerals believes in less and more. That is, less ingredients and more pigment. Their cosmetics contain no parabens or preservatives and are also 100% gluten-free. Concrete Minerals makes sure to highlight these facts throughout their Shopify store, and this attracts potential customers who are also passionate about natural, cruelty-free cosmetics. As is fitting for a Shopify store in the health and beauty niche, Concrete Minerals is a really pretty store. They pair their eye-catching, vivid photography with simple, bold icons that display their various selling points. This allows customers to easily understand what each product is and why they might want to buy that product. Concrete Minerals also offers customers free shipping worldwide on all orders of $50 and more. That's a tactic straight out of the e-commerce 101 textbook. And number 1, KKW Beauty. The next Shopify store rocking the health and beauty market is KKW Beauty. That's KKW for Kim Kardashian West. You know, the famous Shopify store merchant? KKW is the hugely popular beauty brand founded by Kim Kardashian West. The products are very high in quality and usually sell out within minutes. It is easily one of the top Shopify stores for cosmetics. Of course, having Kim's brand associated with everything helps move product. However, it's worth studying the store layout. Notice how easy it is to see all of the products available at a glance. The product photography is clear and the descriptions are straightforward. If you're running a beauty store online, you'll benefit from studying KKW's store design, even if you don't have the advantage of working with a celebrity. All right, that's our list of 5 top Shopify stores in the health and beauty space in 2018. We have a comprehensive list of the 50 most successful Shopify stores over on the Oberlo blog. It includes more health and beauty stores, as well as a bunch of other stores from other niches. The link is in the description below, so give it a click for more e-commerce inspiration. What do you think of these health and beauty stores? Are you inspired to start one of your own? Let me know in the comments. I personally read every one. Thanks for watching. And if you would like to see more of the best Shopify stores of 2018, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, learn often, market better, and sell more.